Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your YouTube music history. In order to delete an individual song from your YouTube music history, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, install or open up YouTube Music. And here you go. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and quickly sign into my account. So once I'm logged into my account, I'm going to tap on the profile initials from the bottom of the page. So when you go to the profile initials, tap on the profile from the top right corner of your screen. And when you click on the profile initials, you simply want to go ahead and click on history. Find the song that you want to remove. All you have to do is tap on more icon or the three dot or a line next to the song, select remove from the history, and this way you'll be able to delete YouTube music history. So that is how you'll be able to delete YouTube music history on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.